Hi everyone, I'm Priyanka and I'm a makeup artist. In today's video, I'm gonna share with you 5 looks using this Huda Beauty Naughty Nude palette. I have created simple eye look, matte look and also bold one, so I'm sure you will find something of your preference. For the first look, I'm keeping the eye makeup look very simple but with a little bit of shimmer and bold lips. I will start with the shade Hypnotic, which I'll apply on my crease using a blending brush from Wet n Wild. The number is P20. Then I'm going to take a little bit of the shade Rough and apply it just below my crease area and blend it in a circular motion like you can see in this video. The pack brush which I'm using is number 175. Now to deepen the outer corner, I'm going to apply the shade Untamed, which is a nice burgundy brown shade. To add some sparkle, I'm going to apply this shade Flower Power using a finger. I'll repeat the same process for the lower lash line as well. When you do such eye makeup look and you don't apply anything on your waterline, then it's kind of look incomplete. So I'm going to apply Kajal pencil on my upper and lower waterline, completing the look with a good coat of mascara, and I'm overlining my lips with this color bar color pencil in the shade Clear Red and pack lipstick in the shade Smokey. The number is 28, and this completes the first look. Moving on to the second look, which is inspired from my dress, I'm gonna start with the shade Filthy. I am using this Euro Paris brush, number is 142, and doing a circular motion like you can see in this video. Then I'm gonna pick up the shade Hypnotic on this pack 058 brush to deepen the crease a little bit more. You have to do the same circular back and forth motion for this as well. To deepen the outer corner, I'm going to apply this shade Naughty on a flat brush. Repeat the same steps for the lower lash line as well, wherein I'm going to apply the shade Filthy, then Hypnotic, followed by Naughty just in the outer part of my lower lash line. Now comes the best part. I'm going to pick up the shade Passion on my finger and apply it on my eyelids. This is a duochrome shade which has purple sparkles in it, so when the light reflects, it looks really beautiful and it also goes really well with my dress. Finishing off this eye look by applying Kajal pencil on my lower and upper waterline and a good coat of mascara. For the lips, I'm going to apply the lipstick from Miss Clay. The number is 13, and lip gloss from Kiro Beauty. Number is 01. This overall look is very flirty and for someone who loves to experiment with colors. And this completes the second look. Before we move on to the third look, please like this video as it will help me reach more and more people. Subscribe to my channel and share it with your friends and family who love makeup. Third look is a complete matte eye makeup look for someone who doesn't like shimmer at all. For this look, I'm gonna start by applying the black Kajal pencil on my lower and upper lash line and then blend it using a pencil brush. The brush I'm using is from Wet n Wild. The number is P10. Using the same brush, I'm going to apply the shade Naughty and further blend it to create a nice gradient. And then I'm going to apply the shade Arouse using a blending brush and apply it all the way to my crease. The blending brush I'm using is from Pro Art. Number is AE24. I'm gonna do the same process for my lower lash line as well and complete this look with a good coat of mascara and Kajal pencil in my lower and upper waterline. For the lips, I have slightly overlined my lips just in the mid part of my lips using this Nykaa lip liner in the shade Chocolate Boy, and the lipstick I'm using is from Nykaa. The shade is Chai. If you want to add a little bit of sparkle, you can do it by adding the shade Flower Power in the inner corner, or else you can leave it as it is as a complete matte look. And this completes the third look. Fourth look is a bold bronzy smoky eye. So if you're someone who loves bold eye makeup, then this one is for you. I'm going to start by applying Kajal pencil in my inner and outer corner of the eyes and start blending it with a pencil brush. Then take this shade Rough on a blending brush. The one I'm using is from Wet n Wild. The number is P20. And then start blending it in a circular motion like you can see in this video. To fill in the negative exposed space, I'm going to apply the shade Tantric using my finger. It's a very sparkly champagne and bronzy kind of a shade, and it does have a little bit of fallout, so only press this shade whenever you are applying it. If you swipe it, then it's gonna fall out. Do the exact same process for the lower lash line as well, and this makeup look will be incomplete if we don't apply anything on our waterline. So I'm gonna apply the same Kajal pencil which I have used earlier. It's from Shimmering in the shade Blackest Black. Finish off this makeup look with a good coat of mascara, and for the lips, keep it nude because there is so much of drama going on the eyes. I have filled in my lips using this Nykaa lip liner in the shade Chocolate Boy, and then I'm gonna use this Swiss Beauty lip gloss. The number is 04, and this completes the fourth look. Fifth look is for all the pink lovers out there. Start by applying the shade Filthy in the crease using a blending brush. Then I'm going to pick up a shade Naughty and apply it in the outer corner of my eyes. And I'm going to slightly blend it in my crease area as well. Then I'm going to use this very interesting shade Slippery as a base of my eyeshadow. I wouldn't recommend you to use this shade if you have oily eyelids. Then take a shade Shameless on your finger and apply it in the mid part of your eyelid. To blend the harsh line between the shimmer shade and the outer corner shade, I am going to use the shade Untamed. I'll do the same process on my lower lash line as well. To finish the look, I am going to apply Kajal pencil in my lower and upper waterline and apply a good coat of mascara. For the lips, I am just using this lip gloss from Kiro Beauty. Number is 01. And this completes the fifth look. So let me give you a recap of all the 5 looks. This palette has lot of potential and you can create simple, bold and softer eye makeup look using this. Try to grab this palette whenever it's on sale. I also got this palette from Nykaa when it was on 40% sale. I have linked the product in the description box below for you to check out. Let me know which palette should I pick up next to create such multiple looks. Also, if you want to see how to recreate this look of Deepika Padukone, then you have to definitely watch this video. See you there.